morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 9 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus. Third chapter Algebra, exercise 3.10. Already 9 exercise I have completed. You can check my previous videos. Now, I will do the third sum in exercise 3.10. Second sum, already I have completed. Few subdivisions we have in that. Sixth sum, second subdivision, sixth sum I have given in the description box. You can check. Now, third sum. Two cars are 100 miles apart. So, two cars are there. That is the distance between the two cars is 100 miles. So, this is car A and this one is car B. So, the distance between car A and car B is given as 100 miles. The distance between car A and B is given as 100 miles. If they drive towards each other, so for this, how they are driving? For that, two conditions are given. One is they are driving towards each other. That is, A is coming towards B and B is coming towards A. So, they are driving towards each other. They will meet in 1 hour. So, in 1 hour time, they will meet. If they drive in the same direction, that is A is moving here and B is also moving, they will be meeting in 2 hours. Okay, first condition is both the cars are driving towards each other, they will meet in 1 hour. Second condition is A and B are in the same, they are going in the same direction, then also they will meet by the end of 2 hours. Okay, find their speed using graphical method. So, we are asked to find the speed. We know that speed is equal to distance by time taken. Okay, so the distance here given is 100 meters. For the given condition, what are all the things we are getting? One is time taken, we are getting 1 hour, the other one is 2 hours. So, that we will find out now. Okay, so now, since we are asked to find the speed, we will take the speed of car A is X and car B as Y. Let X comma Y be the speed of car A and B respectively. Car X and Y be the speed of the car A and B respectively. Okay, so first case 1 condition, we need to get 2 equations. For getting the 2 equations only, these 2 conditions are given. So first case 1 is they drive towards each other. So car A, car B, the distance is given as 100 miles. Okay, then they are coming towards each other. So it is coming here like this. B is also coming like this. So, they are meeting in 1 hour time. Okay. So, if we have taken the speed of car A as X and car B as Y. So, if we add this X plus Y, they will be meeting it in 1 hour. Okay. So, the speed we will get it as X plus Y, okay, is equal to 100 by time taken is 1 it is given. So, speed is equal to distance by time taken. So, distance is fixed as 100. Speed is when they are moving like this together towards each other, we will get the speed as X plus Y is equal to 100 by time taken is 1 hour. So, we will get the first equation as X plus Y is equal to 100. So, this is the first equation we will get. Okay. So, for this first equation, what are all the points we need to plot? That also we will find. X, Y. So, if X is 0 here, if we substitute X value as 0, Y we will get 100. One thing. Okay. So, if we take Y as 0, here in this, if we take Y as 0, we will get X as 100. So, these 2 points will be plotting it in the graph. Okay. So, this is case 1. Then, case 2. So, second case is A and B cars are there. Okay. The distance between them is 100 miles it is given. Okay. if they drive in the same direction. If they drive in the same direction, they will meet in 2 hours. So same direction means B is coming here like this, and then A is coming here in this way, B is also coming in this way. So how will be the speed? The speed will be, if we take this X, this one as Y. They are moving like this. This is speed X kilometer per hour. B is like this, they are moving. So the distance between them will be, the distance between them is only 100. If we want to get this 100, X and Y, if we subtract X and Y, we will get this 100. Okay, understood. So A, it is moving at a speed of X kilometer per hour. B, from here it is moving at Y kilometer per hour. They will be meeting at a 2 hours time, they will be meeting together. Okay, so if we want to calculate the speed together means X minus Y, this part. So total X minus Y. So if we subtract this X minus Y, we will get the distance of 100. Whatever is given, with the help of that we are going to do. So the same thing. S is equal to D by T. Distance is given as 100. So speed, here we got it as X minus Y. Time taken for this is 2 hours. So X minus Y is equal to 100 by 2. So the second equation is X minus Y is equal to 50. Okay. So second equation is X minus Y is equal to 50. Okay. So for this also we need to give the tabular column. Then only that points only can be plotted. So first X and Y. So if we take X as 100 here, since it is simple calculation, I am not doing calculation here. Since only whole numbers or big numbers are there, I am not doing that one. So here, if we take X as 100, we will get, so we will do it. So 100 minus Y is equal to 50. Minus Y is equal to 50 minus 100. So we will get Y is equal to 50. So Y is 50 when I am taking X as 100. Okay. So the same thing. If I take 75. If I take X as 75. Okay. Or else 0 itself will take. We'll take 0 itself. If we take X as 0. If we take Y as 0. If we take Y as 0. X will be 50. Stop with this. Okay, so X, if we are taking X as 100, Y is 50. If we are taking Y as 0, if we substitute 0 here, X value is 50. So now we will substitute the given two set of points in the graph sheet. Okay, so now first one is 0, 100. So 0 on the axis 0, 100, we will get the point here. So this is Y axis, this is X axis. We will get 0, 100 at this point. So this is 0, 100. On the Y axis we will get. Then 100, 0. So 100 is here, 0 will be at this point. So this point is 100, 0. So when we join this, we get a straight line here. Okay, then second one is 100, 50. So 100 point is here, 50 will be at this point, 100, 50. Here we will get 100, 50. So this is 100, 50. Then 50, 0. 50, 0 will be at this point, 50, 0. So this point is 50, 0. Okay, so when we join this, we will get like this. Okay, so at which point it is intersecting? See here. So the point of intersection is 75 here, and here it is 75 and 25 here. Okay, 75 here we are getting at this point. See here, 75 and 25. So at this point it intersects. So this point is 75 comma 25. Okay, so find their speed by using graphical method. So we have taken x as the speed of car A and y as speed of car B. So 75 kilometer per hour is the speed of car A, is the speed of car A, and 25 kilometer per hour is the speed of car B, is the speed of car B. So that only we are asked to find. We are asked to calculate, we are asked to find the speed of the car by using graphical method. So we got the speed. Okay, thank you. So use the graphical things carefully, then plotting things carefully, then only you can get the speed correct. Correct value of speed we will get. Okay, thank you.